In this module, we are going to learn hierarchical data structures. This is very important part of data structures as it contains advanced data structures where only linear nodes are not there. Multiple kinds of structures are available. So let us start our journey to understand hierarchical data structure. Outline of hierarchical data structures module. First, we have to understand general trees and related concepts. Then we have to start with searching techniques, depth first and breadth first traversal trees, then n-array trees and important properties of n-array. We have to start with binary, tertiary, and then we have to reach up to n-array. So we have to find out what is meaning of binary trees and what are the properties of binary tree, and then binary tree traversal algorithms we have to discuss. So let us start with trees. Tree consists of finite sets of elements connected by lines. These elements are known as nodes and connecting lines are known as branches. You can see in the figure, nodes are shown by circle and edges are shown by arrows. There are two types of branches. Branch which is coming towards node, and second branch going outside from the node. Incoming branch is directed towards node and it is also known as in degree branch, whereas outgoing branch is directed away from the node and it is also known as out degree of branch. Degree of node. Total number of in degree and out degrees of nodes is known as degree of that particular node. Let us try to understand with the help of example. See the tree structure given in diagram. A is a root of tree which has two more nodes, B and C. So how to find out degree of A? Now here formula is given. Degree of A is in degree of A plus out degree of A. Now for A, how many branches are coming towards A? No branches there. So we are going to put 0. And how many branches going outside from A? 2 branches. One is towards B, that is towards C. So it is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Now this is the degree of A. In the same way, we can calculate degree of every node in a tree. Let us try to understand terms involved in trees. First one is empty tree. A tree which does not contain any node is known as empty tree. In programming, it is denoted by null. Root. If tree is not empty, then first node in a tree is known as root. Root always has 0 in degrees. Leaf. It is node which has 0 out degree. Internal nodes. The nodes, those are neither leaf nor root, are known as internal nodes. Parent. A node which has successor is known as parent node. Child, a node which with a predecessor is called as child node. Siblings, 2 or more nodes with the same parent are known as siblings. Ancestor, any node in a path from root to node is known as an ancestor. Descendant, the node below parent node is known as descendant of root. Path, it is sequence of adjacent nodes followed to reach at a particular node. Level, it is a distance from node to root node. It is also known as level. height of tree or depth of tree. It is level of leaf with the longest path from root plus 1. Subtree. It is any connected structure below root. Here is an example of tree. All terms are used in this diagram. Root is there, A. Below the root, B is having siblings, and it has its own tree structure, so it is also called as the subtree. Levels always starts from 0. Root is at level 0. Leaves are shown at bottom. Mathematically, a tree is represented by using parenthetical notations. Here, we are using parenthetical representation of tree. Root A, bracket, then we have to put the childs of A, that is B. Again, to describe B, another bracket starts because B itself is another tree, and so on. So parenthetical representation means whenever a bracket starts, it is going to denote child of given node. Binary tree. A tree in which no node can have more than 2 subtrees is known as a binary tree. In other words, it is a tree in which every node has 2 or less than 2 out degrees. Some sample binary trees are given here. Null tree, it is also called as a binary tree. A tree with single node, a tree which has one child, one root node and one child, and a tree which has 2 childs. Another concept is called as complete binary tree. A binary tree in which except leaves every node has exact 2 out degrees is known as a complete binary tree. There is one more concept called as balanced tree. It is a tree in which left and right sides are same. To find out balanced trees, we have to use balance factor. It has a formula. Balance factor is equal to height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. It is a difference between heights of left and right subtrees. If it is 0, then tree is known as a balanced tree. Properties of binary tree. There are 4 properties of any binary tree. First one, minimum out degree of every node can be 0. Second, maximum out degree of every node can be 2. Maximum in degree of every node can be 1. Maximum height of binary tree can be predicted mathematically. To expose number of nodes in a binary tree, we can use H max is equal to M. Minimum height of binary tree can be predicted mathematically by using H min is equal to log to the base 2 n plus 1. In both formulas, n stands for numbers. Let us discuss tree traversal. Traversal means evaluating every node from the tree. Every traversal has a particular sequence. There are 2 types of tree traversal. First one, depth first traversal, and second is the breadth first traversal. Let us discuss them one by one. Depth first traversal evaluates every node completely that is up to the lift before going to the next node. Here, a path is taken at leftmost after every evaluation of node. Second, breadth-first traversal. Here evaluation is done according to levels. After using all nodes at one level, it will take node from next level. Dear students, now it's a time to check your learning performance. Just fill in the blanks. I hope all of you have done it successfully. These are the answers. You can also refer learning resources. Books and web resources are given here. Refer these resources for deep understanding of the concepts. I hope you had a nice learning experience through this session. Thank you all of you for joining us.